Would it be wise, considering the cost of commissions, not trade the micro? But is there any point trading the micro unless you want to cut the risk? The short answer is micros isn't bad. I'm not against micros. In fact, I think micro lots are absolutely fantastic. You guys are very lucky. When we started trading in 2011, there was no such thing as micro lots. They didn't exist. The CME was quick to deliver them, I think, in 2018, I want to say. And they've proven to be that popular that now there's pretty much micros coming on everything. Okay. What you must understand by micros is they are a two-pronged product. They are extremely valuable in the hands of the exchanges and the brokerages. Why? Because everyone can now trade futures. Okay. And they're extremely valuable because obviously the exchanges just need volume. They just need more people to click and they make more money. For you as a trader, they're not as valuable in terms of, sort of profitability, but they're extremely valuable in that you can expose yourself to a real live situation. And that's important. Okay. When I started trading, what we did was we were on a sim. And then they said, look, if you can do a few things and pass the test, we'll put you live. When we went live, we had a 1 lot and a 2 lot. Okay. And the result was we had a £600 stop on the day. Now think about it, on a full contract, £600 stop's not much. Okay, so we couldn't trade micros, which means we had to manage risk very, very, very tight. Okay, and that's why if you look at most traders from sort of 2011, 2012, 2013 era, you'll see most of them are typically flow-driven traders. And for very good reason. We had to have tight stops. Okay, you'll also see most traders from 2011, 12, from the time I grew up as a trader, they're very, very, very good at timing markets. Why? Because we had to time the markets well. We didn't have a choice. We only had a little bit of risk. Okay, we didn't have micros. So micro lots are a fantastic product, but just keep in mind, use them for a limited period of time. Start with them. What I always say to traders, if you think you've got a bit of edge and you can prove it on a simulation, move into micros. Stay in micros for, I'd say, 2, 3, 4 weeks maximum. Don't hang around in micros. Move to the full contract. Okay. There is a risk of staying in micros too long, and it's called getting comfortable. You get comfortable and you learn to trade with a specific way in micros, and it's not optimal in the long run.